3 a.m., the most painful and terrifying silence in America. Behind empty streets, real life is still moving. While everyone sleeps, they clean the city. And this story is never told. No one sees them, yet they are there. Empty streets, cold wind, and broken silence. In the darkness, figures move like shadows. No names, no faces, no recognition. Only tired bodies, and endless night pressure. They quietly erase the dirty truth of the city. So the morning can look normal again. But behind that beauty, no one ever sees them. 1. NYC at 3 a.m. Invisible cleaners. New York City sleeps, but not everyone. At 3 a.m., the streets turn silent, almost ghost-like. Subway tunnels echo with distant sounds, and shadows move where nobody looks. Invisible cleaners begin their work, sweeping the remains of a city that never stops consuming. No names are remembered, no faces are seen, only the result matters. The city wakes up clean, bright, alive, but the people who made it possible disappear into darkness again. This is not just cleaning, it's survival in silence. 2. Vegas after dark. Real story. Las Vegas shines like a dream at night, but when the lights fade, reality begins. After the final party ends, chaos remains on the streets. Broken bottles, silent hallways, empty casinos full of echoes. Cleaners step in, facing the truth behind the illusion. The city that sells dreams leaves behind exhaustion and waste. No spotlight follows them, only long nights and heavy silence. Every corner tells a story of excess, and every cleaner becomes part of a hidden cleanup of fantasy. 3. LA after midnight. Hidden truth. Los Angeles looks perfect in daylight, but after midnight, everything changes. Streets become empty, cold, and unpredictable. Behind luxury and dreams, lies a darker reality. Toxic waste, trash, and hidden dangers wait in silence. Cleaners move carefully, knowing every step carries risk. Hollywood lights fade, but real struggle begins when cameras stop rolling. Dreams are built here, but so is exhaustion. Every night feels like a battle between survival and invisibility in a city that never truly rests. 4. Miami dawn. After the party. Miami nights are loud, full of music, energy, and chaos. But when dawn approaches, silence takes over the beach. Sand covered with trash, broken bottles, and fading footprints of last night's escape. Cleaners race against the sunrise, knowing the ocean will soon reveal everything. Waves don't hide mistakes, they expose them. Heat rises, pressure builds, and time runs out. While others sleep after celebration, they clean the remains of pleasure. A new day begins, but only after the hidden night is erased. 5. Chicago nights. Cold survival. Chicago nights are not just dark, they are freezing. Snow falls heavily, mixing with trash and silence. Every step outside feels like a struggle against nature itself. Cleaners push through icy winds, exhausted but still moving. The city sleeps under white darkness, but survival doesn't stop. Hands freeze, breath becomes visible, but work continues. No applause, no recognition, only endurance. In this cold silence, every clean street becomes a silent victory against exhaustion and winter's brutal grip. 6. Seattle rain. Silent cleaners. Seattle never truly sleeps, it just rains. Endless droplets fall on empty streets, creating a rhythm of loneliness. Cleaners move under wet skies, soaked but focused. The rain hides tears, and sometimes feels like part of the struggle. No crowd, no noise, just water and silence. Mental pressure builds slowly, as every task feels heavier in isolation. The city looks peaceful, but behind the calm surface lies invisible exhaustion. Every clean street becomes a quiet fight against weather and emotional weight. 7. Houston 2 a.m. Silent workers. Houston at 2 a.m. feels endless, empty roads stretch like a forgotten world. Heat still lingers in the air, making every movement harder. Cleaners work under streetlights, surrounded by silence and distance. No attention, no recognition, only duty. Trash piles up from a busy day of life, now waiting to be erased. Danger is always present, but ignored. These workers move like shadows, keeping the city alive while the world sleeps. Their presence is invisible, but their impact is everywhere in the morning light. 8. San Francisco Nights. Hidden struggle. San Francisco nights show two worlds at once, beauty and struggle. Bright lights above, but streets tell a different story below. Silent cleaners move through steep roads, facing crisis, loneliness, and pressure. Behind tech dreams and innovation, human struggle continues unnoticed. Every corner hides pain, every block carries silent effort. The city grows upward, but its hidden workers remain unseen below. This is not just a place of success, it is also a place of quiet survival in the dark. 9. Atlanta Nights. Hidden hands. Atlanta is growing fast, faster than ever before. Skyscrapers rise, new lights appear, traffic expands, and the city never seems to stop building its future. But behind this rapid growth, there is something no one talks about. When night falls, the beauty of progress slowly turns into chaos. Streets that were full of life become heavy with waste, paper, plastic, leftover food, and the silent evidence of a long, exhausting day. The city doesn't sleep, it just shifts its burden into the night. This is when the cleaners step in. No applause. No spotlight. No recognition. Only responsibility. They move through empty roads, carrying exhaustion in their bodies and silence in their minds. The pay is low, but the pressure is high. 10. D.C. at 3 a.m. Power and silence. Washington, D.C. is known as the center of power, where decisions shape nations and history is written every day. By daylight, it feels unstoppable, loud with politics, movement, and authority. But at 3 a.m., everything changes. The Capitol falls into a deep, unsettling silence. Massive government buildings stand still under dim streetlights, their windows dark, their halls empty. The same places where voices once echoed with power, now feel cold, distant, almost forgotten. Yet behind this silence, another world continues to work. Cleaners move carefully through strict security zones, quiet footsteps on polished floors, empty corridors, restricted streets. They don't belong to speeches or headlines, they belong to the unseen structure that keeps the city alive. Their work is invisible, but essential.